Have you ever stopped to consider the fact that everything in our universe is in constant motion? It's true. The physical laws of our universe dictate that everything is in a state of vibration, and that's what we call the law of vibration. The speed and rate of vibration for any object or material are known as its frequency. Even solid objects that are perceived as static are still quietly vibrating, just at a much slower speed. In comparison, something like your body is constantly moving and vibrating at a much faster rate. No matter the material, the law of vibration states that everything is moving, always. Our minds are capable of tremendous power. Every thought we have radiates a frequency that resonates throughout the universe. The vibrations created by our thoughts are so strong that they can easily cut through any perceptions of space and time. Not only do our thoughts reach far and wide, but they also can transform our physical state. Our thoughts and emotions are incomparably powerful forces that have the power to manifest into our bodily experiences. The law of attraction. The law of attraction is often discussed in spiritual circles as a way to manifest your dreams and desires. It teaches that our thoughts and emotions direct what we attract into our lives. The basis of the law is that objects with similar energies draw one another together. The law of vibration is the most fundamental of all universal laws, as it is what drives the law of attraction. Every thought, intention, and emotion you have carries a certain vibration, which is then echoed back to you through circumstances, people, and situations that share the same vibration. Our thoughts can indeed become reality, but it is the underlying vibration we send out that ultimately attracts the things we desire into our lives. Our vibration, or our energy, is what decides what we bring in and how it manifests. Therefore, it's important to stay mindful of the energy we are giving off, as it will be reflected in what we receive. These laws often bring about several questions, such as how thoughts can control one's entire life, and how mantras can create the desired reality without taking any action. However, these inquiries are generated by a lack of understanding regarding the nature of these laws. The single most important element in creating your dream life through these laws is inspired action. This law isn't some kind of magical process. Rather, it requires setting goals and actively pursuing them to retrain your subconscious mind. Without taking any kind of action, not much will be accomplished. Thus, taking action should be the top priority if you are aiming to make your wishes come true. What is inspired action? Taking an inspired action involves acting on a powerful inner impulse, almost as if you have a hunch. It is not merely a minor step forward, but a massive leap toward your ambition. It is one of the most essential elements of the law of attraction, often the first major stride taken. This kind of action entails doing something that brings you nearer to your goal and executing it with passion, assured that it is the correct move at the moment. My personal experience of this kind of motivation was when I felt compelled to find digital marketing courses, although I didn't know content writing was an element of it. Yet, when I signed up for the course, I found the starting point for my writing career. Many times, you cannot articulate why or where the feeling originates. You either act on it or try to brush it off. This is often called intuition or a creative spark. If you choose to heed this impulse, it can be a catalyst for an inspired response, but you have to take the first step. To conclude, if you have strong feelings for something, your mental and emotional state will be in tune with it. Your ideas, emotions, and behavior will all resonate on the same frequency. Through conjuring this visualization and sentiment within yourself, you will purposely draw on the principles of the law of vibration and the law of attraction. Therefore, it is crucial that you devote yourself to learning and fully comprehending that you will draw whatever is in harmony with your vibrations. You will not attract what you want. Instead, you will attract what reflects who you are. If you can change your resonance, then you will be able to modify your entire experience with the universe.